Do you think I mixed it?
Yeah, do you want to put it in?
Are you videoing?
Let's see.
Whoa.
Oh, look.
That's actually really cool though.
Whoa. Maybe we should try each colour one by one as well. Because these have gone a bit brown, maybe. We can do them blue and green.
Well, this is actually really cool though.
Oh, cool.
See, look, it just explodes. See, this is about to explode. You see this dot? It's gonna explode it.
Oh.
See that? That's pretty cool. But can you like dot it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, if I dot it, then it will explode more. All of you. You will explode now. It's actually pretty cool. I hardly has any. Whoa! Look at that explode. That just looks really epic. This is like mountain now. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, that just looks really evil. But look at the evilness. Kind of evil. Let me see. No oil. What happens?
Oh, I wonder if you get the same effect without the oil.
That's
Might not.
my science experiment. Ooh. I think because the oil travelled around it.
Oh, yeah, I think so.
Guys, now we can just explode it wherever we want. See, look, I can just get my thing. Or you could just put a bit of oil in this tub. It will swirl around, and then you can just put any old colour mixture in it, and it will explode. So you can put that red in it, exploded. That's pretty
Yeah.
cool. Mum, do you have any other food colouring?
I might have some in the cupboard, yeah. Let's have a look.
Yeah, see if
Okay.
we can get more.